Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Splitgate Arena reloaded game not launching, not loading, lagging, crashing, black screen or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart the game. For that, first select your game from home screen. Now press menu or button on controller. Then select quit option. Finally restart your game, and if not, next is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cache data. For that, open settings, then choose device and connections, then click on Blu-ray. Now select persistent storage, then select clear persistent storage. Next method is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu. Now select settings, then select network settings, then click on test network connection, then wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next method is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold the Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next method is to check for the game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues. So make sure you check for an update option, and after updating the game, now launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to clear cache of the game. For that, press Xbox guide. Now click on My Games and Apps, then tap on See All. Here search for Splitgate Arena Reloaded Game, then press Menu, then select Manage Game and Add-ons, then tap on Save Data Reserved Space. Finally tap on Clear Reserved Space. Next solution is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on Settings under Profile and System. Next, go to Account and then click on Remove Accounts. Here choose the account to remove and then select Remove option. After that, add the account again. Next method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First, open settings on your Xbox, then choose system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click it to begin the updating process. Next is to check storage space. For that, press Xbox button, then go to profile and system, then click on settings, then click on system, then click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space. Next is to reinstall Splitgate Arena Reloaded Game. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to My Games and Apps and select See All option. Here select Splitgate Arena Reloaded, press menu button and then select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Splitgate Arena Reloaded official website and download the game and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Just go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.